Hi y'all, this is Susan Lee Rose and I want to thank you for watching my channel. I have a live unboxing here. This is from the Echo Park Paper Company. This is their Cardmakers kit, monthly subscription. So we're going to open that up and let's see what we got. I love Echo Park and Cardabella lines. They are just so much fun. If I get it open, there we go. All right, so it comes with a 6x6 paper pad. This one is the Summertime collection. So cute. Let's look at some of that paper real quick. Let me get this opened. Let's look at the different pieces of paper that are in here. Oh, so cute. That's the double side. Looks like lined paper. All kinds of just summer sayings. A dot. A gingham. I love their gingham. Another dot. Some cute swimsuits. Some waves. Stars. A yellow stripe. Just some different icons that are kind of summery. Some kind of confetti. And then, of course, the little mini cards. There's a solid navy. There's a piece with some fruit on it. Let's see. We got this one that has, what is that? Oh, watermelon seeds. So cute. Some pineapples with sunglasses, some water, a plaid, a solid, just some kind of circular dots. And we are back to the beginning. Really nice papers in there. We have a set of their frames and tags. This will be useful for making cards. And then it always has an exclusive stamp set included. So let's look at it. Oh my goodness. Let's get a piece of paper. Let me get a white piece of paper so we can look at it good. Let me get a scrap piece, that'll work. All right. So we have a saying that says, today is going to be the best day ever. Watermelon. You are one in a melon. That's cute. It's going to be bright, bright, sunshiny day. Summer days, sending sunshine to you. There's some flowers and some leaves, some little fruit, really cute. It also comes with a recipe card, so you can create this card with also some ideas here on the bottom. I think this is a very fun collection this month. And I love their papers, so I always appreciate that we get a 6x6 paper pad. I am more than a little addicted to them. I'll have to show you sometime how many of these 6x6 pads I have from all different brands. But this is a really nice set from Echo Park Paper. This is the June, or I guess July. This is the June 2021 Cardmakers kit. See if I would read right there, it's showing. So June 2021 Cardmaker kit. So stay tuned. I will be making some cards out of this and I will post it here on my channel. Thank you. Have a blessed day.